You're working on dusty jobs like this, and your vacuum basically pumping it off to the entire apartment and has something like this. And you do not want this to end up everywhere in the apartment. Do this. Have a flexible hose. Put it in your vac. Now follow me. Go to the bathroom and find the dryer exhaust. Tape it with a painter's tape, like you see here. Find a pipe or any attachment to your flexible hose. Put it in. Pump the dust out.